So today I'll be unboxing the Sakobs 80-watt soundbar with subwoofer, and it also has deep bass inbuilt into it. So when you unbox it, the first thing you have is the user manual, and it has a quick instruction right over here. This is what the soundbar looks like. It's really nice and handy. We're going to set it up now and listen to it and see how it works. So the first thing I'm going to connect is the power adapter, and it's right over there. So just clip it in and connect it. And then after that, you want to connect the audio. So I'm using an audio cable. You can use HDMI. You can connect with optical. You can connect with so many different modes. And once you've connected it, then it's time to turn it on. Make sure your speaker is turned to audio system so that this would work.
Power on.
So when you change from different modes, it will tell you what mode it is, and it also has color indicators on the soundbar.
Optical in. Auxiliary in. Bluetooth.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be talking about my college visits, more about how I felt about it and all of that. I actually do have a little package from Dozier, and if you guys watched the last video,
this soundbar is designed with 3D surround DSP technology, and it has 4 full range speakers and 2 passive bass cones. It is refined to deliver up to 80 watts and 100 dB of rich sound, which gives you amazing quality. I love that it is not heavy. It has the subwoofer inbuilt in it, so you don't have to have extra equipment around. This gives the best experience that I've seen so far, and I totally love it.